Alright everybody, 808 Outlawed here. Figured I'd give everybody a little bit of a sound demo, give you an idea what kind of damage all this does to my ride. Alright everybody, time for that sound demo. I know you can't see the subs good, but this is 20 hertz. We'll crack it up. Alright, 25. Yeah, I got all four of them tuned and in sync pretty good. Here's where I got 152 on 30 hertz. Now I know you couldn't hear that for shit, but that hurts my ears just being in the truck with it. Move it up to 35. Still doing over 150 here. Hertz, still sounds great. As you can see, the truck's nasty.